How to add music to Canva invitation. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and simply select a project regarding your invitation. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected the invitation. Now if you want to add the music to this particular invitation, simply what you can do is you can simply tap on different options that pop up at the bottom of the screen. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see these different options. So drag it to the left and here you can see the option of audio. Tap on the audio option. And as you do that, you can simply record a voiceover, generate AI voice, or you can simply use any of these songs over here. So I'm going to select on a particular one over here randomly. So let's select a random music over here. And as we do that, simply select on the music and it will be added to this particular Canva invitation. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.